everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and in today's video we have my annual what I got for Christmas. I don't know why I just said annual, I've only done it for 1 year, so I don't know why I said that. Hope you all had an amazing Christmas, and yeah, I thought I would do this video to end the Christmas content. This is probably the last you'll see of the Christmas background as well. I just really like looking back on these videos. On my private videos, I have them from like 2014, I think. Crazy. Didn't want to say it, but obviously I'm not bragging or whatever. That'd be weird. Just thought I'd show you what I got. It's basically a Christmas haul, innit? It's not, I don't know, okay? I'm not bragging. If you haven't already, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. First, Bucks Fizz. We might as well start off with this. If you know me, you know I love anything to do with gingerbread. Love the taste of it. So it's just a bonus that it's cute, but like, this is the best gingerbread man I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Let's appreciate him for a moment. I would feel really guilty in this, but yeah, how cute. So I thought I'd sit him in the back of the video for today. So we'll start off with a bit of Body Shop. I love getting these every year. Body Shop stuff is the best, and this smells insane. So how cute is this packaging for starters? The scent is Love and Plums and this smells amazing. So if you can get this in the sale, I'd definitely recommend getting it. Shower gel, body butter, hand cream, and what is that? Oh, body butter. Oh, it's a body yogurt and a body butter. I love these. How cute are they? This next item is actually the thing that I asked for this year, and obviously it's not the most expensive perfume, but I've heard so much about it on TikTok and things. I just thought I have to buy into the hype. The Ariana Grande perfume, the Cloud one. This, if you haven't heard about this is supposed to smell insane. It's supposed to be like a really strong scented perfume, and yes, I really wanted to try it, so I'm happy I got that. Some little reindeer socks. How bloody cute are these? Can't go wrong with fluffy socks at Christmas. Also some little penguin ones. How cute are they? Some Marks and Spencer's truffles. I love truffles, and yeah, really excited to tuck into them. Next is a pair of pajamas. You literally cannot go wrong with pajamas at Christmas. These are from Boo Avenue. It says rather be in bed, me every day. And they come with these bottoms which have little love hearts on, so they are mega cute. I also got a dressing gown, but it's been returned because it doesn't fit. That was also from Boo Avenue. Can't go wrong with their stuff. And I also got a loungewear set. I haven't actually taken out the thing yet, but if you do watch my videos, you'll know how much I hype up my other loungewear set that I have, the pink one. So mum clearly listened, and now I've got like a blue one. It's like a waffle material. So how cute is this colour? It's so nice. They're just great for working from home. Makes you feel a little bit more done up rather than just wearing your pyjamas. Little Soap and Glory set, again, something you cannot go wrong with. This is a bit of a different scent for Soap and Glory. It's more like a floral scent. It's really nice. Body wash and body butter. I'm going to try and go through this quick because I know how much I can ramble. And this was a shock. Look how cute the bag is for starters. Like, could use this as a little lunch bag just to be bougie. So my parents actually got me a Valentino bag, and how gorgeous is this bag? I absolutely love it. Perfect size. I love a smaller bag. How nice is the chain on this? I just love it. I think it's so cute. Can't wait to start wearing that. I love bags. I have way too many bags, but you can never have enough. So yeah, put it back in its little pouch. So this is actually from my brother. Well, my brother paid for it, mum chose it. I finally got some of the Beauty Works things. I have not tried anything from Beauty Works. Look at this. Oh, I'm no good at these. Yeah, 3 things in here. My gift guide actually inspired this purchase because I've shown this brush in my gift guide. The perks of doing YouTube, you can drop hints. Bristle brush, a hair mask, and one of the detangle combs. How nice is this set? Love it. Can't wait to try that. Some more perfume because you literally cannot go wrong. These two smell amazing. Zara, you've probably heard me hype up Zara Perfume before. It's great and really good sizes as well. So we've got that one and this one. If you're ever stuck on buying someone a Christmas present, get them some Zara Perfume. They do so many now. I'll have to find some space on the shelf. These Thornton's pearls because I've been looking at them for ages, so I actually chose these myself. Just want to know what they taste like. So again, very excited to try them. Then we got some Gucci perfume. Can we just appreciate the packaging of Gucci stuff this year? I love it. Sorry about this spot, by the way. It looks like smudged makeup. Looks like my foundation, don't want to hide it. I don't know what I'm saying. Every year me and mum gift each other a expensive perfume, and this is what she got for me. A little Gucci Guilty set, and this smells amazing. Probably not going to want to use it. Really nice, and it comes with the matching body lotion. I love matching my scents up. Just makes me feel really put together. Sorry if the camera angle's changed. I've just knocked the tripod. We got some mini Marks and Spencer's gins. These have glitter in, if you can see. How cute are they? They're actually baubles, but they will go down a treat. I love orange gin, so I know I'll like this. I was so excited when I opened this. I can't remember who I seen talking about it the other day. It was on a gift swap. Anyway, if you haven't seen these, this is a Flatlay Makeup Bag. They do up like a normal makeup bag, but when you unpull it, it flattens out on the floor. So if you're someone who likes doing your makeup on the floor, it's ideal. And I do my makeup on my boyfriend's floor when I'm at his, and I always get paranoid that I'll get makeup on the floor. So now we have a floor protector. You can actually put these through the wash and everything, and yeah, I feel like if you're in a rush as well, you can just chuck it in the bag, do it up, and yeah, you don't have to place everything in a certain way, which is like what I usually have to do with mine. And my makeup bags look really old now, so I'm rambling, but yeah, this was very much appreciated. And mum got the pink one. Very excited to do makeup on the floor now. A popping candy chocolate orange. I love these. Might put this in bacon, try to do a bit of bacon with it. So these are off my boyfriend's parents. How gorgeous are these pajamas? It's like me in pajamas. I love how bright they are, and they even come with a matching scrunchie. Love them. Gonna feel real glam with these on. So this is actually from my boyfriend's grandparents, which I think is just the most precious thing ever, because I've never even met them, yet we buy each other Christmas presents. Got another box of Marks and Spencer's truffles. People know I love my chocolate, clearly. This Laura Ashley set, which looks really lovely, and a little pack of bath fizzers which look like eggs. How cute. Precious. A little Boo Avenue perfume in wild pomegranate. That actually looks really cute. My grandma got one of each of these humongous Toblerones for each member of the family. Can't wait to inhale that. Also from my grandma, these really cute beer slipper socks. Look at them. Some Bailey's fudge. People know I love my food. I feel like you just can't go wrong at Christmas. Really excited to try this. It sounds insane. And a little hat, scarf and gloves set, which is mega cute. So as a family, we've got 3 different hampers this year. One from my uncle, my auntie and my cousin. A massive basket from my uncle. And then from my auntie, we had one that had like 3 different drawers in it. And then from my cousin, had one with like biscuits, jam. Really nice. So safe to say, if we get snowed in, we're not going to run out of food, because that will keep us going for absolutely ages. They are huge, they're massive. So yeah, and then I got this from my uncle as well. These are actually really cute. We've got a little elephant candle. How lovely is he? He might replace my stag after Christmas. Oh, it's so cute. Should put it there. A cookies and cream candle, and look at that inside. It's got like crystal. Oh, you can smell that as soon as you open it. That smells amazing. Cookies and cream. That smells insane. And 3 bath bombs. Oh, the label's coming off. This one with a bottle of fizz in. This little guy. And a little Santa. How cute are they? I don't know how many times I've said cute. I apologise. Not sure if I care. Got some of these face shavers things. If you know me, you know I use these all the time. They're great. And all the girls did a Secret Santa this year, so it was actually Anika who got me, so shout out to Anika. These presents are so cute, like they're so thoughtful. First off, we've got this little gin mason jar thing. It's got a wild berry gin and a rhubarb cocktail mix in it. Love that. A little bag which had this snake necklace inside, and she just knows I love anything with snakes on, and I really love this. Was definitely needing some more gold jewellery, so I really appreciate this. A set of Calvin Klein socks, and I was very happy to receive these because I don't actually own any long black socks and I need them for boots. These smell so strong. I don't know where she got these from, but They smell amazing. Gingerbread, because she knows I love gingerbread. They smell so nice. So yeah, thank you Anika for my Secret Santa gift. And then mum got me this really cute necklace, again gold, so I love it because I definitely need more gold necklaces. It's got my name on. How cute is this? I did actually include something like this in my gift guide, but she already had it before then, so great minds think alike. Yeah, I think that is really cute. It'll go nice with this. So yeah, then my auntie Pam got me this really nice dress. Now this is going to be so nice for when I go on holiday. I love the pattern on it. How cute is this dress? It's like this and then it ties at the back. I think I've pulled the tag off. Oh no, I haven't. It's here. This is from Beck and Bridge. How pretty is that? So yeah, that would definitely be coming with me on my next holiday. From my team leader at work, shout out Jade. She got us all these really cute gift bags full of goodies. We've got some milk tray, this really lovely, oh god, you can't see it because it's reflecting, this little tumbler glass that has my name on. How nice is that? Face mask. This is a shower steamer, so I'm really intrigued about this because I've never heard of anything like this. Some little makeup bits. We've got a cheek and lip tint, a liquid highlighter, a bronzer, and a little Body Shop lip balm. Really love these. This cocktail can, which I'm very excited to use. How cute is this can? And one of these soap things. This is in the scent Ice Queen. Really excited to give this a go. It's supposed to be really good. So yeah, thank you for them, Jade. Me and Alex actually haven't given each other our presents yet, but I thought I'd film this video anyway. One thing I do know that I got from him is a bottle of Rebellion rum, because this year we actually became spiced rum connoisseurs. We've got a thing about spiced rum, so obviously we went to Tenerife, so we thought might as well do it a little bit smaller this year, so we shortened the budget. Bottle of spiced rum and a few other bits. Thank you so much if you did buy me a present. It is really appreciated. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas again, and yeah, let me know some content ideas you'd like to see in the new year. Hope you enjoyed the Christmas background whilst it lasted. I'll probably put it away soon. If you did enjoy, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Oh, I'm sweating. Whoa, shit. Everything is just flying everywhere. That little bag is so cute. Me and Mum have milk. Oh, God, running out of space. And no, that's not right.